All right. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Don't do that. Nah. Do hi. That's my father-in-law's compound, the one painted make color. Welcome back to my YouTube channel
With a swag.
So I'm gonna do this.
It's by Sonia.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, bringing another vibes on your table. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. This house is scattered because I'm doing a lot of packing and arranging. Okay, yes, I'll be going to my father-in-law's house, or I'll be visiting my husband's place, village and everything for the first time in my life in Abia State. Okay, so yeah, I don't even know what to feel about this because I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Anyways, everybody are going to be there. My mom is also going to be there. And it's just gonna be, I don't know. I don't know how to put it. Okay, yes. So this is me just coming up here and I'd be like, let me just do this intro first. I've never been to that side before. So for those of you that don't know, my husband is from Abia State, Obiungwa local government, to be precise. And I've forgotten the name of the village. Kai, this is a shame. What was the name of that village? Oh, God of mercy, full of compassion. I've forgotten the name of that village. But anyways, we'll be going there. And I'm kind of not too happy. But at the same time, I just have to be myself for the sake of my husband so that he doesn't get all emotional. So, and yeah, the reason why my mom was actually here is it's because of my father-in-law's burial. It's a whole lot of story for another day. I have a lot of backstory to tell you guys, and it's painful that the first time of me visiting the village, we're going to be burying my father-in-law. Anyways, but it's fine. We thank God for everything. We thank God for life. So yeah, so we'll be going to the village. I'll get to know his people, like more of his people. Okay, yeah, I know my father-in-law before he died. I know him very well. He was my best friend before he died. Okay, so this family are nice family. Anyways, let me not talk too much. I'll see you guys in. Just enjoy the rest of this vlog. Okay, enjoy. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. See, do I'm looking like the Hausa girl that I am. Anyways, I wanna say hi now.
Hi.
Guys, for the first time in history, I am in my husband. Come on, go now.
Husband's house.
I'm in my husband's compound. Okay? Yeah. So I want to confess short. You guys know that since I got married, I've not been here. Like I don't even do here even before I got married. So but right now I'm here today and it's something to be grateful for. Anyway, this madam. Anyways, I'll get to where my mom is. I'm gonna let you guys know. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of this vlog. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So this is me basically. Eh? Who is missing? Chiwendu. So this is me just practically performing my wife's duty diary in my husband's village. See market women, guys. See market women everywhere. Oh my God. They're looking at me as if I'm a celebrity. Celebrity. Small. This community fine, sure. Community is not too bad. Oh, mommy, when I be ride bicycle, how I go do? My love, how are you? Guys, this community is so beautiful. My bro-in-law with the swag.
Moving with a swag.
So I'm gonna do this my Hausa stuff. You guys know if you're from Hausa, this is what we call this in Hausa gomo. So let me know what you call it in your language. In my language we call it uchoko. Actually, I don't know. I don't forget. What do you call this in your language?
Edgy.
Edgy. Anyways, if you end now.
Okay.
The middle. Wait for this. See guys, I don't even know when I ever tried this, jacking water on my head. But I'm having the fun. I'm feeling everything. And see, I can just leave my hand. Moi, see. See, I can leave my hand. So, see, I can leave my hand like this and work. Well, see now, I dropped my hand. Oh, I'm a pro. Water carry pro. Oh my God, I'm in Ohanze.
Please, you need to back this guy and confirm this also.
And no, I'm not going to back that picking confirm. I will even. Jesus. Can you guys see me? Everywhere is green. Green. That's my father-in-law's compound, the one painted make color. This is where I belong. This is my heritage now, okay? See my mother there. See my mom. See every other person's doing food stuff and the rest of that. I know that Mori wants to come to the front so that our face will show, our shoe will shine. So yeah. So this is our house where we belong. Muffin me. The shake. Mazi. Mom, it's okay, thank you. You can end it. I'm tired. I'm frantic. I'm tired. It's okay. My sister-in-law. See there. See my celebrity mom. Mom, say hi. Hi. Don't do that. Nah. Do hi. You did that. Nah. Do hi. Yes. My baby girl, how are you? How are you? See your face. All right. No, enter person garib. Before you go buy market today. See guys, I can largely leave this like this without touching it. The real house here, woman. Thank you, my love. Hey guys. Worry. Guys, my friend don't jack what I say, she don't shots back. From top, she don't shots.
How are you? Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Okay, the video.
Go close now. No. When we needed this, you know, they are now where the rice on. I know where she.
We need to put all that rice for fire.
That time where you supposed to be here. You know,